How to see who views your TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to find out who visited your TikTok profile or who looks through your TikTok, it's very simple. What you're going to do is first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device. Then in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see the profiles icon. Click on it. Then it will take you to your profile space. Now over here in the top, you can see an option over here like a footprint. Click on this icon. Then you'll see all the people who have viewed your profile in the past 30 days. And only you can see these people. If you go to the settings over here, you can simply turn it off from here or again turn it on. So this is how you can know who viewed your TikTok profile. So thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was very helpful and informational to you and see you in the next video.